Home Remedies presents How to make cottonwood salve arthritis balm organic pain cream. Hi guys, in the last video you have learned about how to make cottonwood oil at home. Carrying it further, I had promised that I will tell you how to convert it to a medicinal salve. Today I am here for that. The advantages of a salve is that the medicinal oil is turned into an ointment consistency that better adheres to skin and can be carried anywhere easily. Let's now see the recipe to create your own medicinal salve. Cottonwood salve recipe. 1 cup of cottonwood oil, 1/4 cup of shaved beeswax. Procedure. First, choose a pot or pan that you don't mind dedicating to salve making, as the medicine will be very difficult to completely remove. Heat up your cottonwood oil on the stove on low heat. You can even use a double boiler to further protect the oil from getting too hot, though it is not necessary. Once the oil has warmed up, slowly add the thin shavings of beeswax into the pot. A cheese grater can be used to shave a block of beeswax. Wait for shavings to melt before adding more. You can test the consistency of your medicine with the help of a teaspoon in the heated oil beeswax mix and allowing it to fully cool. Your goal is to create an ointment consistency. Too little beeswax and the mixture remains as a thick oil, while too much beeswax turns the mix into a hard consistency similar to lip balm. You can adjust by adding more oil or beeswax to gain the desired consistency. Once you have melted your beeswax into the mix and achieved the desired consistency upon testing, you can allow the mix to begin to cool. Just before your salve begins to firm up, you can pour the warm salve into small containers such as baby food jars or small tins. Your salve will then cool down into place. The small containers of cottonwood salve make great gifts and additions to first aid kits. You can now use the salve to soothe your arthritis pain, sore muscles, treat minor cuts, burns and scrapes, and soften your rough hands. Enjoy! If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.